Hello friends, in this video you will learn how to adjust slide aspect ratio from 4:3 to 16:9, how to preserve existing audio tracks and narration, how to replace visuals while maintaining perfect timing, and how to report clean widescreen videos ready for Udemy or YouTube, all without re-recording. This is actually my personal experience and I got it solved, and then I thought I will share with you. So let's move on to the actual solution, and I'm sure you will find it very interesting. If you like this video, do subscribe to the channel and put your thumbs up and share with your friends. Hello and welcome friends. So in this video I will show you what I achieved. I achieved this 16:9 aspect ratio from a recorded version of 4:3, and it was so late that I couldn't re-record everything, and there are so many other lectures that I did the same mistake. So I found an easy way, and this used to look like this. Initially the lecture was recorded like in this 4:3 version, but I could successfully convert it into 60:9, a full landscape, without ever re-recording, and in a very small two-step operation with a little bit of time. It saved me. I'm going to share my experience. So stay together and we'll be having some lively session where you will have. So guys, you can see that I have got this, what is an API.web file. How did I get it? I got it by export audio only. Okay, and then saved it at this project, at this folder. Okay, so what is an API.web? So this was saved as a web file. It was converted, all the audio was converted into a web file. All right, and then what I did was also on the media bin, I imported the PowerPoint slideshow. The PowerPoint slideshow from here. This is the PowerPoint slideshow. This is a PPTX file. You can see for the this one. Okay, so this is only for this. What is an API gateway? Now, what I did was I just imported PPTX directly. Okay, so I just imported the PPTX directly by importing media bin. Okay, so import media, and I went to my presentations folder, and what is an API gateway? And it actually converted the slideshow nicely into frames with PNG images. So now all I have to do is to listen to the track and place the clips, image clips, and then synchronize after listening to the audio. Okay. So guys, this has brought me to this step of finalizing my clip, which is now I have added all of these media files, keeping in view the relevant section of the audio file that these scripts belong to, or these images belong to. And I have kept on adding the transitions also. Mostly I use the Bond. Say I am going to use it over here to make it smooth transition. Like, okay, so just make it and then I will just finalize and click on the export button to export this local file to my location. So that's it. Now this is the outcome. You can see I'm speaking on the mic with full extended 16:9. So now it is full extended view, and is no more you have to compromise with the 4:3 aspect ratio, even if you ever make a mistake like I did before publishing on Udemy or anywhere for that matter.